SUNHUNK large frame self-dumping truck, paving the way for a new era in transportation. Redefining the boundaries of transportation, SUNHUNK large frame self-dumping truck, leading you into a new era of transportation. SUNHUNK large frame self-dumping truck with new structural upgrades. Integrated large frame structure of the cargo box increases vehicle strength by 20%. Extended upper protection design, fully covered cab, safer loading. High strength and wear-resistant plate materials, doubling the lifespan. Our proprietary hydraulic system, lifting steadily, trust upgraded. Increased heating area of the bottom plate, warm work in winter. Innovative articulated rear door design, large opening angle, high material flow. Upgraded waterproof lamps and wiring harness, the protector of electrical system. Semi-automatic spare tire hanger, effortless tire replacement, efficiency skyrocketing. Front-mounted aluminum alloy folding ladder and anti-slip inner ladder. Lighter weight, more aesthetically pleasing, easier to climb. SUNHUNK large frame self-dumping truck, a powerful partner for mine operations. For Chinese self-dumping, more people choose SUNHUNK.